I'm switching to my voice mod mic. Hold on. My voice.
Chicken Jockey. Chicken Jockey.
I have my soundboard. I have my soundboard now.
I am Steve.
No, you're not. Shut the fuck up. Yo, I'm gonna.
I am Steve.
You want the Minecraft movie? Guess what? This is not the Minecraft movie. This is the Bane movie.
Heinz beans. Heinz beans.
You guys want your damn Minecraft? I'll give you your damn Minecraft. Bye.
I give you your damn Minecraft. Whips out his pickaxe.
Chicken.
This whole stream, I'm gonna do play Minecraft. Okay. Anyways, shout out, Jakey. Chicken Jockey.
Chicken Jockey.
Jerky.
Okay, here's your damn fucking Minecraft, bitch.
I give you the
Your Minecraft.
I
Give me
am Steve.
AI. That's Jack Black. That's real, guys. That's a leak. He's going to
Whoever said
Andrew's
PMI
fake
mining, I'm going to touch you tonight. So keep your butt closed.
So everyone just heard that,
How
dumbass.
the cinema worker looks when I yell, "Chicken Jockey!" as I grab his chicken at my hand. I am beef. Herobrine. Herobrine should be in the Minecraft movie.
I hope Herobrine's in the Minecraft movie and jump scares the whole audience.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, is that Herobrine?
Send the profile picture that.
I'm using my
my
Minecraft
God.
PvP right now, bitch.
What in the village fuck is that?
Oh, damn, wait, look at this gif. Look at this gif.
I'm looking. Oh no, Squidward.
No.
Squidward.
Squidward?
Hollywood.
Get out.
Wait, Five, do you have Minecraft by any chance?
I don't play it. I'm a fucking new
Counter a creeper and a zombie.
I thought you playing the zombie from Call of Duty.
This is fucking Minecraft.
Get the fuck out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft.
Okay, anyways,
changed my profile picture.
I hear Wicked in my living room. My mom's watching Wicked on full volume right now.
What?
See, I'm not kidding. I just hear, that's all I hear.
Dude, the Jack Black
Shrimpy Jockey.
Yeah, look at
Shrimpy.
I am
PMI Jockey. My new profile picture chat.
Steve.
Yo,
Oh my god.
yo, guys, it's
Your head is huge. Your head is huge.
Huge.
Chicken Jack.
Guys, I can't wait for
get some
the
room.
guys. Hear me out. I can't wait for the girl and a villager sex scene in the movie.
Bo is
that
free.
was
Oh
me
my
what you just said.
god,
That
your
was-
head is so huge.
Dumbass, move.
Oh my gosh, you want 5 emeralds for what?
Can I get a chicken
chicken?
jockey?
Chicken
Whoa!
Jackie. Chicken Jackie. Chicken
Can I get
Jackie. Oh, satisfying meme.
Bro, it's gonna be hella funny. I'm just gonna
Chicken
record.
Jackie, chicken Jackie, chicken Jackie, chicken Jackie. It's been stuck in my head the whole. That's been stuck in my head the whole day. I was literally talking to my mom, and then at one point I was in the kitchen. I said chicken jockey just out of nowhere.
Your bitch did. Your bitch
I
ass
got
did.
no bitch. You know who my bitch is? Chicken jockey.
Chicken Jack.
Oh,
Chicken Jack.
oh my god.
I'm raging.
Someone have an idea. I'm gonna turn right.
Oh my god, it went from Minecraft to queso. What the hell are we doing? A little barbaric,
Tell me
but what
what
if
to
I had
say.
the... Hold on, what if I had the MGM lion die in Minecraft?
Die in
Like
Minecraft.
after the first roar, he just disappears and turns into items after dying. Okay, I have something on my soundboard warning it's a bit annoying, but yes, you guys ready?
Is it Chicken
Ready.
Jockey
Yeah.
again?
It's the chicken jockey spam.
Chicken jockey, 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 chicken
Oh my god, why did my mic peak for a second? My mic peaked for a second. Why did it glitch like that?
Shut up! Shut up!
Chicken Jack.
Yeah, I am speaking here.
I'm gonna raise.
JD, get your Minecraft PvP.
Yeah, get
a
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Get Peter Griffin Minecraft. Peter Griffin Minecraft porn. I mean,
Only do this
TMI, get
every time
Never,
I
never.
change my PFP. Go.
yeah, perfect.
Go.
Me the boys in Minecraft. Yes.
Yes.
Type 1 diabetes.
No.
Neighbor egg and cheese, 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 bacon egg and cheese, cheese.
Chicken, chicken, chicken.